How to withdraw your money from MooMoo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MooMoo app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. In Me, you will find Trading Related option if you verify it. Simply click on Trading Related option in here. Then you will find Withdraw option. Simply click on Withdraw. Then you'll find How would you like to withdraw? Select via which account. After you've selected the account, simply enter the amount you want to withdraw. And then press on Submit at the bottom, and you will be able to withdraw from that particular account. And this is how to withdraw your money from MooMoo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.